Every year on July 7th, people all over the world celebrate World Chocolate Day. This day is a time to enjoy the deliciousness of chocolate and to raise awareness of the importance of cocoa. Chocolate is made from the beans of the cacao tree, which is native to South America. The cacao tree was first domesticated by the Olmecs in Mexico around 1500 BC. The Olmecs used chocolate for both food and medicine. Chocolate was introduced to Europe by the Spanish in the 16th century. Chocolate quickly became popular in Europe and was used for both food and medicine. In the 18th century, chocolate became a luxury item and was used by the upper class. Today, chocolate is enjoyed by people all over the world. It is a popular ingredient in many foods, including cakes, cookies, and ice cream. Chocolate is also used in drinks, such as hot chocolate and chocolate milk. World Chocolate Day is a time to celebrate the deliciousness of chocolate and to learn more about the history and production of this amazing food. So, go ahead and indulge yourself in a piece of chocolate today. You won't be disappointed.